In this post, I'll go over the advantages of locking your Pi coin, as well as how to do it correctly to get the most out of it. Also, how Pi Network Lockup can provide passive income for you. So stick around until the conclusion of the video to find out how. Hi dear, it's Crypto Night and I'm happy to welcome you to another video. Just before we proceed, if you have any business proposal, you can reach out to us via our email in the description of this video. Also, don't forget to click on the subscribe button and notification bell down below so you get to know whenever we post similar videos like this. Okay, let's delve into today's video. What is the procedure for lockup? Lockup is enticing since Pi incentivizes it. Pi Network, a budding mobile-based blockchain initiative, gave its mobile mining community a lockup boost. The raise went into effect on March 14, which is the same month and day as the Pi symbol for the project, which is 3.14. Every year on March 14th, Pi Network celebrates its birthday. On Pi Day, the network frequently undergoes large modifications. What does Pi Lockup mean? Pi Network stated on December 29, 2021 that it was transitioning from its testnet to an enclosed mainnet. As a result, Pi tokens mined on the testnet will eventually be converted to mainnet tokens. To encourage individuals to save their Pi tokens after the migration, the Pi team will change the mining rate on March 14 to be based on how much and how long a miner chooses to lock up previously mined Pi tokens. The network's pioneers have been patiently mining Pi on their mobile phones for approximately 3 years. Despite the fact that the Pi team has said that Pi tokens have no initial value and would instead derive value from the community, most miners anticipate that their mined Pi will someday bring them a fortune worth the wait. Would a blockchain project that has been in the works for more than 3 years be a game changer in the same way that Bitcoin was in its early days? Or would it go the way of previous mobile mining blockchain ventures that didn't quite live up to their lofty goals? Pi Network Lockup benefits and Pi Network passive income. What are the advantages of Pi Network Lockup? Pi Network Lockup will generate passive money for you. Daily income. Benefits of Pi Lockup. Do you know that while Pi is only worth $10, with the help of the lockup, you may earn $20, $50, $100, or more on a daily basis? Yes, allow me to clarify further. For example, if you lock up 90% of your transferable Pi and are among the pioneers with a 300%, 400% plus increase, that implies you will be mining 5 Pi plus per day, 24 hours. If 1 Pi is worth $10, you will make $50 plus per day, or if 1 Pi is worth $20, you will earn $100 per day without performing any work and by spending less than 15 seconds each day hitting your mining button. If you compute your monthly income, you will be making between $1,500 and $3,000 each month. I believe that's fantastic. Note, this pricing is only valid when 1 Pi equal $10 or $20. Please don't accuse me of lowering Pi's price to that level. Pi prices on the mainnet starting at 1 Pi equal $100 or above are feasible. Okay. What if 1 Pi equal $100, based on what we calculated earlier? Consider how much money you'll be making per day. You will earn $500 every day from mining. Wow. Well, I explained. It's incredible. Without doing any effort, I can get $500 per day and $15,000 per month. Thank God I'm lazy now that there's free money for the lazy. Because it is more profitable than other cryptocurrencies, more investors will flock to the Pi network. Why? Because mining is still going on. But with what is it going on? Now, instead of relying on the strength of your team, you'll have to rely on the quantity of Pi you've locked in the Pi blockchain to mine. As a result, many investors will find a method to sell the majority of their other cryptocurrency in order to purchase some of the little Pi in circulation, which they will then store in their Pi wallet and lock up so that they can mine Pi as well. Note, as more investors come in to acquire Pi, the price of Pi will continue to rise. And, as we all know, crypto investors invest for the long run, which means they will put more money into Pi to mine more than individuals who have been mining since the beginning. Pi can easily appreciate from whatever price it starts at in a few months, perhaps from $100 to $600. This means that someone who earns $500 per day from mining will suddenly earn $3,000 per day. Pi ecology applications for buying and selling will continue to add value. This part of the Pi value is the most astounding part. This is exactly what Bitcoin and Ethereum were created to do, but they failed us since they didn't develop the market before producing money. So what do we do with the money when there are no items to buy? Someone mining 5 Pi for $50 to $100 per day may start earning $1,000 per day instead of $50. Don't be startled, and don't think it's impossible. Exchanges such as Binance, Coinbase, and others will find it difficult to keep a large number of Pi in their hands, so they will offer you a high price to buy your Pi, not to list it all on their site, but to lock it up for large mining. Don't forget that the number of Pi you lock and the length of time you lock contribute to your computing power to mine a lot. From all of these considerations, you should be aware that locking some of your Pi is advantageous since, at the end of the lockup term, your locked up Pi will be worth millions of dollars. I don't think you'll have time to touch the unlocked Pi by then, either. I believe you will prefer locking it back for even 10 years too so that you can keep mining from the fees. This is why the white paper states that Pi is for ordinary people. Pi should be spent on a daily basis by ordinary people. Now, let me explain how the lockup will assist you in another way, time and security, not in price. Let's say you've already locked 90% of your Pi for 3 years and your PAS phrase was compromised, hacked, or leaked out at mainnet. The person will only be able to transfer your 10% Pi and not the Pi in the locked safe. So, if you notice an unwanted rat, a thief in your wallet account during this time, you can quickly call up the 5 people in your security circle to assist you in regaining access to your pass. But don't let the people in your security circle know each other, but make sure there is someone you can reach at any time. This is one of the reasons you should ensure that your main Pi mining app is very secure so that hackers or unwelcome rats do not find a way into your 2 safes. Don't let them hack both your Pi browser and your Pi mining app at the same time. I believe you should keep their information in various locations, but don't forget where you put it and don't just write it down and put it in your safe. Remember, trust no one. Don't forget, even though Pi started at $20, you will earn $100 per day without working. What if it went on sale now for $100? With your jobless hand, you will be able to earn $500 per day. However, it is contingent on the length of your lockup term and the percentage you select to lock. If you are not above 60 years old, I prefer 90%. I believe that 60-year-old men and women should lock less, but that 59-year-olds and younger should remain at 90% for 3 years. Remember, the core team set the default lockup at 90% in 3 years for a reason. They see what you don't see, and they are working for you, not for themselves. They don't take any money from you, although they've financed the project with over $900 billion or more since 2019. Because of its scarcity, I believe one Pi can start at $500 if you lock 90% for 3 years. It is also more scarce than Bitcoin. You will be able to spend the 10% and the new mining Pi for the rest of your life. How to lock up Pi coin? Simply go to your Pi app and locate mainnet, then click on Configure Lockup to lock your Pi. Then lock your Pi for as long as you like. That is all there is to it. And that's it for now. Thank you for watching this video to the end. Before saying goodbye, please let us ask you for a favor. Your subscription is very important so this channel can become more visible and we are going to be more motivated to do more research for you. Please subscribe and click the notification bell icon for more daily cryptocurrency updates and predictions. Like is also important, and if you really like this video, share it with all your friends. If you have any questions or contributions, kindly drop them in the comments section below. Please note, the views and opinions expressed by the Crypto Knight or any people mentioned in this video are for informational purpose only and they do not constitute financial or investment advice. Investing in or trading crypto assets comes with a risk of financial loss. Always do your own research before taking any decision. See you in the next video.